What's good, everybody? This is Anthony from AA Global FX, and today I'm going to show you how to access indicators on MT5, the platform that's on either your MacBook or your Windows laptop or PC. So this is basically the screen that you'd see here. So when you're looking for an indicator to show you preferably when to buy or when to sell, all right? So when you're looking for an indicator, this is where you go. You go to the marketplace first. Where do you find the marketplace? You find it right here. Okay, you go up to tools, and then when you scroll down, you're going to see MQL5 market. Just click that. So when you click that, you are going to see a number of indicators ranging from different prices. Okay, so all these indicators here do different things. Okay, so I'm going to show you the indicator that I use. It's for free, and it has given me wins here and there. But mainly, I do not rely on indicators. As I said before, you need to learn price action and market structure. When you learn price action and market structure, you can then use indicators to help you see where to enter. Okay, so the indicator that I'm going to be using today is called Trendline Pro. This is where you find it. You go to search market here. You click, then you type in Trendline Pro. Okay, so this is the indicator that I'm looking for, Trendline Pro. You see here it says free. So we're going to enter. And then when you enter, I've already downloaded this, but in this button where it says open, it would be written download. You can also see information about the application down here. Here we've got the overview where it tells you about the advantages of using the Trendline Pro, how it works, and how to install it. You can also see the screenshots back here where it shows you where it's worked and how it works. Okay, and the reviews are here for you as well, so that you can see what other people think about the indicator. All right, so before you ever purchase an indicator, I would advise that you go to the reviews and then see what other people are talking about it or commenting about it. All right, so don't just go out there and buy an indicator without seeing the reviews. See the reviews at least. You go do some research on it and then purchase the indicator. All right, so when I click open, I come to the navigator panel. If you do not have a navigator panel, you go to you go to view, and then you click on navigator. When you click on navigator, for me right now it disappeared. When I need it, I click on navigator and the panel comes onto the side like this. Okay, so when I download it, you should search for it in the navigator panel, but it popped up right in front of my screen right here, Trendline Pro. Okay, so now let's go to this is the synthetic indices that you only find in Deriv. If you want access to this, just register under Deriv. You'll find the link in the description below, and the tutorial to that, you'll find it on top of the screen here. Okay, so now we're going to apply the Trendline Pro like this. So just like I said, you've got common, inputs, colors, and visualization. So you've got common, input, colors, and visualizations. So in common here, they actually tell you about the indicator and who made it, right? And you go here to inputs. Inputs basically, it's where you customize the indicator to set it to types of specifications that you might want for yourself. All right, but I prefer using the default settings. The default settings work fine when I'm using this indicator. All right, and then when you come to colors you can also customize. If you don't like the color scheme, you can change it. If you don't like the size of the lines that are displayed, you can also change that. When you double click on this and then click on this arrow down here, you can then further customize the thickness of the lines that you will see in a minute. All right, and the visualization here, they are just showing you where the indicator is going to show, and here it says all time frames, so meaning it's going to show from the monthly all the way down to the minutes. Okay, so after that you click OK. All right, basically it's saying you should sell in this section right here. All right, how is it showing you? It will show you an arrow and a red line will start to emanate here. All right, So just like I say, don't always follow what the indicator says. You have to first do your analysis, and then when the indicator says that you should sell, all right, you then look for a much desired position, put your sell in. It automatically gives you the TPs here. It says TP1, TP2, and TP3. For those who are new to this, TP stands for take profit. This is where you be taking your profit if you put multiple positions or you put a position with a high lot size that can be divided. Okay, so it also shows you here the TP1s, the TP2s, the TP3s, and the SL is pointed here. So your position, your entry position would be here, and your stop loss would be there. All right, depending on how much money you have in your account, you can then see whether you are able to hold drawdown up till that point. Okay, so you can see this indicator also shows on the 30-minute time frame, it's on the 15-minute time frame, it's on the 5-minute time frame, and it's also on the 1-minute time frame. Okay, so when I was talking about the customizations, I was talking about the lines. The lines can be customized so that you can see what thickness you might prefer. Okay, so whenever it's turning blue, like I said before, when it turns blue, it means buy. So it's going to give you a position to buy. Especially here, you look at these dots right here. This dot was given, it said enter there. So if you had entered this buy position, right, you would have taken all the profit that it would have given up, because it said TP1 here, TP2 here, and TP3 here. You would have made the money that you wanted here. As we can see here as well, it said sell here. Okay, notice these small dots. Let me just zoom in. All right, notice these small dots right here. There's a small red dot. That's where it says sell. As you can see here, there was TP1, TP2, TP3. The indicator was successful here. All right, as you can see here as well, it said buy here, right? And the trade went on to go all the way up here. It took out TP1, TP2, and TP3. Okay, so guys, I just wanted to show you how to install and use an indicator in MT5. If you do not have an MT5 marketplace account, I'll also create a tutorial on how to create your account so that you can access the MT5 marketplace and get access to all the indicators that are here. Okay, all right, so this is Tony from AA Global FX. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you